Hello and welcome back to the Age of Gaming. In this video, we're going to do something fun with the KIM-1. We're going to load a tone generator into the KIM-1, and we built this circuit so that by moving one or all of these switches, it'll change the tone coming out of the speaker. I'll show you the diagram for that and the code for doing this. So let's just get started here. Let's see, we have this. Got to rewind this all the way. And we're going to start by restoring that same program that we did in the last video back onto the KIM-1. So let's go to first address 00F1 and go into binary mode. And we're going to go to address 17F9, and we're going to put in the tape ID that we stored. So we're going to put that to 01, and then finally we're going to go to address 1873 and press go and play on our tape. And we'll load that program back into our KIM-1. There we go. Stop. And then we'll go to address 0200, our starting address. There's our A0. Let's press go and see what happens. And if we move one of these switches, okay, that works. That was a lot of fun. Now let's go take a look at the computer and see how this was all accomplished. Okay, here's our basic circuit that we created on the breadboard. I have a ribbon cable coming down, bringing PA0 through PA7 to the breadboard. And we have PA1 through PA7 hooked up to a switch here, and all of those are going to ground. These are all acting as input ports, and we're setting PA0 in the program to be an output port to come out here to our transistor and to a speaker. Now you can find this little experiment on chapter 5 of the KIM-1 user's manual. They don't tell you which transistors to use, so I picked up some S9015s and I used an S9015 here, and it seemed to work. Okay, let's go take a look at the code. Here's the code for generating the code for creating this tone generator exercise. It's the same code that we've been, storing and restoring from tape, but now we're going to actually look at the actual code, what that A9 does, and that 01 and that 8D. Okay, so if you just want to install the program, just put these machine language codes into your KIM-1 and it'll run fine. Here's the actual assembly language, and it initializes by loading 01 into LDA, or into the A register, and storing that into the PA data directional register of the, 6530. And then you start the program by incrementing the data in the PA data register. Hopefully I'm not confusing this. This is the data directional register, and this is the actual data register. This is, I believe, at 1701, and this is at 1700. So first thing you're going to do is load A with whatever data's in the data register of PA. Okay, and we're going to, they actually, what do they call it? They invert it by using this exclusive OR with FF. That's because we have everything going to ground. So they invert it here with FF. And what is this? LSR is shift register left, I think. Shift register left, okay. And transfer that to the X register. Then we're going to decrement the X register and branch back to delay. Keep decrementing that X register, depending on what was found in pad, depending on which switch was pushed or how many switches were pushed. It's just going to decrement that many times, changing our square wave to be faster. Okay, and once it's done with that, it's just going to branch right back up to start and do the whole thing over and over and over again. Okay, hopefully I explained that all correctly. Again, let's just have fun with this. Build the breadboard project, load the code, and see if you can get your tone generator working. I hope you had fun with this. Have a good day. Bye.